Hi everybody, it's Matt from Region Weather. Thanks for joining us here on our YouTube channel. It's Tuesday. I thought it'd be a good time to take a look at your extended forecast as we go through the rest of the week. All right, welcome in everybody. Several ways to connect with us here at Region Weather. Subscribe here on YouTube. We're also on Facebook, Northwest Indiana Weather, and regionweather.com. You can also email us at contactregionweather@gmail.com. I believe that is. All right, so let's take a look at your forecast as we go throughout the week. Let's start with your storms and fronts. We'll take a look at the precip around the country to see kind of a big picture view of where all these systems are and where they're going over the course of the week. So we've got the cold air in place right now. There's an area of low pressure developing near Texas, so this is going to be a severe weather maker as it makes its way east over the next couple of days. Our little feature to watch will slip south. This will bring some showers in the area tomorrow. Not a washout by any means, but it's going to kind of linger in the areas. This boundary between cold and warm takes place. Meanwhile, severe weather tomorrow, outbreak expected to develop areas of Oklahoma and Texas. That will shift east as we go into our Wednesday night and Thursday. For us, we're on the northern periphery of this area low pressure, so we'll likely see some rain, better chances down to the south. Again, the bulk of this should miss us on our Thursday with the heaviest rain down to the south. We're still going to get some rain around here. That system quickly pushes out. Severe weather threat over for areas down near the Gulf Coast. As we go into your Friday, we watch yet another area of low pressure get going in the Plain States. This one will bring us some more rain as we go into the weekend, as it kind of ejects out in the Ohio Valley. Another pretty strong low there. So this is a raw wind coming off the lake, and likely some showers on into our Saturday before that eventually pulls its way on out as we go into our Sunday. So we've got some rainfall chances here and there over the next couple days. You can see we start to dry things out. These blue lines, though, that's the cold air coming in here. So no huge warm-ups in the forecast, although I do think tomorrow, not too bad. We should squeak out temperatures in the mid-60s, despite some of that rain moving in later in the day. Okay, let's take a look at your temperature forecast on top of that. And again, we'll give you big picture. I know not a lot of us traveling, but it's nice to see what's going on elsewhere to see what kind of weather we can expect. Here's the dip in the east. Look at this dividing line. They were in the 70s in the Dakotas today, 30s in Minnesota with snow. This dividing line is what's going to set up our rain tomorrow as it kind of shifts off to the north. And again, I think it goes just a little bit further north in the region, so that should pump in some of the warmer air. I think low 60s, maybe even some mid 60s if we get a little sun earlier, but we'll have those showers around. But then remember, that low pressure, that strong one's going to create the severe weather down to the south. So your Thursday into Friday, we get that cold wind back behind it. So we've got kind of moderate temperatures. Should be cooler near the lakeshore, and that will be the case once again as we get into Friday and Saturday with heat building back in the plains. But notice we stay cool across the Great Lakes. We're now up to Saturday, and you can see we've got some cool air in there with that rain kind of wrapping around that secondary low. And this is what we're going to be watching. It's going to be warmer in areas of Canada than it is locally. It's just been cool across this eastern half of the country, but this warmth hopefully will build its way back in after a cool weekend. So hopefully by Sunday and Monday, we're starting to see some returns on those temperatures as we go into next week. So let's look at your extended forecasts. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed to us here on YouTube. And everybody, have a wonderful Tuesday night.